Why do birds fly at windows and sometimes crash into them? The answer reveals surprising bird behavior and how reflections trick their eyes in ways you won't expect. Windows often act like mirrors for birds, reflecting the sky, trees, and open spaces. Birds rely heavily on vision to navigate, so when they see these reflections, their brains interpret them as actual open flight paths. This causes them to fly directly at the glass, thinking it's just more sky or habitat, leading to crashes. Sometimes birds aren't just confused, they're angry. Male birds can see their reflection in a window and think it's an intruder challenging their territory. This triggers aggressive behavior where they repeatedly fly at the window to drive the rival away, often resulting in crashes or injury. Glass is transparent, but birds don't recognize that. They may see plants, feeders, or even other birds inside buildings through clear windows and try to reach them. Because glass is solid and invisible to them, this leads to crashes. Their brains just don't process glass as a barrier. Fortunately, you can help birds avoid these accidents. Applying decals or films that break up reflections makes windows more visible to birds. Also, placing bird feeders either very close or far from windows reduces collisions. These steps save countless bird lives and reduce heartbreaking crashes. Now you know why birds fly at windows and sometimes crash into them. It's a mix of reflections, territorial instincts, and glass confusion. Next time you see a bird strike, remember these surprising reasons. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.